We start by removing the engine oil filler cap while the engine is still warm. We're going to remove all the front splash shield components because we want to carry out a general inspection, check for oil leaks, and make sure the steering components are in good condition. Most BMW models have a special access cover that lets you change only the oil, so if you want to do just the oil change, this is the cover that you need to twist and remove to access the oil drain plug. Place a container under the oil pan and remove the drain plug using a 17mm socket. Now we'll go back up to replace the oil filter. For the oil filter housing cap, you'll need a 27mm socket. Place some paper towels or a rag around the housing and remove the cap together with the filter. Unclip the old filter from the cap. There's still some used oil left inside the filter housing, so we'll remove it with a syringe. Many workshops skip this step, and obviously that's not ideal. Now we need to replace the large O-ring on the cap. Clean the cap thoroughly with brake cleaner and paper towels. Install the new O-ring and lubricate it with a bit of fresh oil so it doesn't tear when you screw the cap back in. Also lubricate the small O-ring at the base of the filter so it slides easily into position. Wipe all the old oil from the housing and insert the new filter. Take your time, rotate the filter until it aligns correctly, press it in and you'll hear a click. Now we can reinstall the housing cap. The tightening torque for the cap is 25 Nm. We replaced the oil drain plug washer with the new one. For BMW, the MON filter also comes with a new washer. We will tighten the drain plug to 30 Nm. Clean the entire area with brake cleaner and towels. The oil capacity for this engine is 5 liters, but we recommend adding 4.7 liters first and checking the dipstick before adding more. Don't forget that after you run the engine for a few minutes, the filter will absorb around 200 milliliters of oil, so the final check should be done only after starting the engine.